Hello friends, myself Ravi. In this video I will tell you about how to enable and disable the registry. This is the registry editor. First of all I will show you how to open this registry editor. So now I am closing it. Simply press Windows key plus R on your keyboard, then run box will be appear. Inside this type regedit, regedit, edit. This means registry editor, regedit. This is the shortcut command. Please remember friends. Then press OK. Then it will prompt yes, I want to open. This is the registry editor. Now I am opened. So now I need to disable this. For that, simply press Windows R on the keyboard, then type gpedit.msc. This is the shortcut command, group policy editor. Then OK. You will get the window like this, local group policy editor. You will get user configuration. Inside the user configuration, expand the administrative templates. Inside the expand administrative templates, you will find system. Choose that. You will get the list of items. In this is the name, prevent access to registry editing tools. Now it is not configured. Choose edit policy settings. So after selecting, click on that. Now it is in not configured mode. So now I am enabling disable regedit from running silently, and I am choosing yes. Then I am clicking apply and OK. So now it is enabled. So now I am closing this. So press Windows R and type same command whatever you typed earlier, that is regedit. Now it is asking you want to open, yes. Then see friends, the registry editing has been disabled by your administrator. So we can't open without giving the administrative privileges. This is the way you can restrict the registry opening. Similarly, I will show you how to enable this. Same way, Windows R, inside this type gpedit.msc. User configuration, inside the configuration, expand administrative templates and select system. You will get the list of items. Inside this, prevent access to registry entry, edit policy settings. So by default, click on not configured mode, then click apply, then OK. So I am closing this. Now see friends, OK. Inside the run box, type regedit, yes. Now my registry is opening. That's it friends. Thank you. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Thanking you. Subscribe me.